Good morning, everyone. Myself, Dilip Singh Kharra, and this is my channel, Merchant Navy India. Here, I give all the information which is related to the Merchant Navy and truth. It may help to the student to get enter themselves for the merchant. Now, here today, the topic which we are going to be discussing is about the SCI Shipping Corporation of India. I have already put it the video for Shipping Corporation of India, but that time I have left one thing which is introduced later on by the Shipping Corporation of India. So here we are discussing about how you can fill the form for Shipping Corporation of India. Now, why this? So first of all, we'll see why this is important. Why this is important for everyone. The reason is you have applied with many of the institute and you didn't get any kind of sponsorship. Now there is a one chance with the SCI because SCI is going to pick you based on your IMU CET rank itself. It means all depend on your rank. So there is a one more chance to get your sponsorship. If you have a good rank, you will get the Shipping Corporation of India because there no need any kind of interview. So now I am just telling you with sharing my screen, you can see how you can fill the form. Now, this is the link which I'll put in the description. You can click on that. And this is the application which you have to be filled. Now, while filling this, when you will finish this, here UPI amount is put it and date of payment. So this you have to do. Now, how much you have to do, that also I'll let you know how much you have to do for this also, what payment you have to do. This is the website where the entire DNS is putting all the information. There are 80 seats in that. Everybody is applying for the IMU also. I hope they have done it this. Now here, how you can apply. So that link I'll share with you. Click on that. And this is the payment amount. 500 for male candidate, SC/ST के लिए 300 and female के लिए 300. And these are the bank details which you can use UPI, NEFT, whatever you want to use, you can deposit. And then you have to attach these things: 10th mark sheet, 10+2 mark sheet, school living, SC/ST, and copy of IMU registration slip. जो IMU registration का form आया, that scan, photograph, and signature you have to be put it. Now, while doing this, when something is everything is just read all the information very carefully. When you have do it, now we will go once again the back page. Both the links I'll share it. Both the links I'll share it. Now here you can see while submitting, it says that you have to send these information on this email ID also. So this link, that course link, and this email ID, I'll put it in the description. So kindly fill the form because this is the, you can put it yourself as a last chance for you to get the sponsorship. If you are not getting anywhere, so this is the full chance for you to get the information. Thank you for the watching. Please share to everyone so that this information can move from one person to other person, so many of the student can get the advantage of this. Thank you for the watching. If anything you have, please put me in the comments. I reply all the comments.